When we think of promoting stamina and vitality, lung health coincides. There are so many ways on how to keep our lungs healthy. First, proper diet and nutrition. Second, lifestyle. Third, the correct intensity of exercise. And fourth, supplementation. These important factors seem easy to achieve, but for some, shifting to a healthy practice is quite challenging. Let's discuss them one by one. When you had too much intake of food high in cholesterol, saturated fats, and sugar, it gives your heart a hard time to pump blood all over your body. And when the thoracic cavity is surrounded by fats, your lungs decompresses and making it hard to expand fully. Lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle that gives your body less movement and exercise will not promote lung expansion. So when it's time for your body to add a little effort to do something, it makes you feel tired easily. Correct intensity of exercise. A gradual increase in the level of exercise will help your body maintain the standard intensity that meets the oxygen demand in your body. Lastly, supplementation. We can't get complete nutrients in a single diet. Also, the reason why we need to reinforce our diet with supplements with ingredients that can help improve our targeted concern. Now, let me discuss to you one of the Pharmanex supplements that can improve stamina and lung health. CordyMax is a proprietary natural fermented product derived from a fresh, natural mushroom called Cordyceps sinensis. CordyMax Cs-4 is the result of over 15 years of extensive scientific research. No other companies will be able to duplicate CordyMax Cs-4 due to Pharmanex's isolation of the active fungal strain and proprietary fermentation process. In fact, CordyMax has been placed under intellectual property, and only Pharmanex has an exclusive license to CordyMax outside of China. Now, what are the benefits that you can get from CordyMax? It promotes vitality and stamina, it reduces fatigue, and it promotes healthy lung function. So, if you're a busy person with a hectic lifestyle, an athlete or an elderly, or desiring increased vitality without the use of stimulants, this product is recommended for you. Take 2 capsules 2 times daily with food and drink.